Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going with my mates to Scarborough, to Whitby for a fish and chips, then North Yorkshire Moors, Blakey Ridge. So should be a fun day. Let's start. It's an absolutely amazing day today. It's still cold. We had frost in the morning. It's 7 degrees at the moment, but today it's meant to be about 12-13 degrees and clear sky majority of the day. So I think we couldn't pick a better day. Well, maybe we could, because tomorrow it's meant to be 17, but that's fine. 12 or 13 will do perfectly fine as long as it's dry and sunny. Anyway, so as I mentioned, we are planning to drive through some country roads to get to the seaside, fish and chips over there. There is a great road connecting Scarborough and Whitby, which we will take. Then we will stop. I've got my drone, big camera, so hopefully we will have plenty of opportunities to do some photo shoots today. And obviously on the way back, as I mentioned, we will be doing Blakey Ridge, which is I think my favorite road in the Moors. It's absolutely brilliant, bit bumpy, but we should have absolutely great time over there. It's Monday, so the road should be reasonably quiet, therefore yeah, should be great. So we had a fish and chips, and now we're gonna go to Whitby because we're running out of time. So we probably won't be stopping a lot, but it was lovely, really good weather. Found ourselves on some narrower country roads. So we're on the last leg of our journey to Blakey Ridge. We're only a couple of miles away, so hopefully we should be there soon because it's already 4 o'clock, and I was hoping to get back by 5, but that obviously won't happen. So we're gonna stop at the top, take some photos, maybe fly a drone, and then it's going to be time to go home. So let's go. So we are here. That's the beginning of the road. Should be fun. Fantastic road. What a view. Lot of sheep around, so have to be careful. So we're off, we're going home. Last part of the journey is almost over. We've got a couple of miles to do on this beautiful road, and then we're heading home. Absolutely beautiful views today. I enjoyed it so much. It was nice to catch up with my mates as well. So, it's the end of our video. We are heading home now. So there probably won't be that much exciting stuff happening. So I'm going to end up the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've seen some nice places you haven't been before. And please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.